Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this BOIFUN 5-inch baby monitor and 2K Wi-Fi baby camera system via screen and app control. You can choose with your temperature and humidity sensor built in, a night vision version, and a two-way audio talk, cry and motion detection, with smartphone app if you like, and it works with iOS and Android. The app, of course. This is Baby 6T. We have more convenience, screen and app two-way audio control. The screen and the camera are connected via no Wi-Fi technology. At the same time, the camera can be connected to the mobile app through 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This allows us to use the parental until when we are at home. And we use the app when we are on the road. We stay connected with our little one wherever we are. We have to download first the app if we like to use the app out of the App Store or the Apple App Store and or the Android Store, the Google Play Store. And then we have to enter the right app and download it. BOCG1YNFLD to search for the Baby 6T add-on to purchase. Because this set comes with one camera system, but you can additionally connect another to it. Really cool feature. And we have all-round protection with 360 degrees view and audio tracking. The BOIFUN Baby camera monitor features a large angle rotation function. We can easily see the whole room in 360 degrees. At the same time, when detected object's movement, the camera will automatically track the object rotating to help us to always pay attention to the status of the baby. And continuous care, motion detection and sound detection. The BOIFUN Smart Baby Monitor is equipped with a motion detection and sound detection sensors. When it detects baby's movement or sound, we will receive a prompt notification. When we are busy with the household or sleeping at night, we will know when the baby needs us in time. And we have 2K Full HD night vision and smart night light and lullabies. The baby monitors loading and leading at 2K HD resolution and 4x zoom. This helps us to capture every cute expression of our baby even at night. Also, the BOIFUN Video Baby Monitor is equipped with smart night light. We have 3 modes: light always, murky, breathing light, and lullabies to help us to soothe our baby and give our baby a fun bedtime ritual. And it's more comfortable because there is a temperature and humidity sensor. The temperature and humidity detection function will let us know whether the baby is in the bath environment and helps us to provide a better growth environment for the baby. And you can see it's really easy to operate with that. We have an handheld version which is directly paired each other with the camera system. And on it there are buttons and we can easily control it, zoom in, zoom out, make it two-watch operation, and so on. We have a feeding reminder, a temperature and humidity, a smart care system, and. And BOIFUN Magical Time is #1 baby monitor on the market shared in Europe, providing a high-quality baby monitors for 300,000 of parents in Europe every year. The BOIFUN will understand the difficulty of being a parent. The professional technical team collects the need of the parents every year to develop a baby monitor that is more suited for parents. The free parents to have more time being themselves. And this is a good fact, because this year helps us. It's a Baby 6T 2K 5-inch smart baby monitor. It supports mobile phone and monitor control. We have 2K resolution, monitor and app control. We can choose humidity and temperature, sensors, night light, auto tracking, and movement detection. That's good facts. We have real-time baby monitoring, peace of mind, anytime and anywhere. And it's easy, of course, as you can see, to operate with this, and it's easy to pair them because the camera system had a status light on the front, a microphone on the front. We have a call button and a pair button there, and a loop night lamp on the bottom side. On the back side of this camera system, we have a speaker, the reset button, a power port for USB-C cable, an SD card slot to enter there to record the videos if you like. And on the handheld, we have a microphone, a status light of charging, a status light of using, and we have buttons. Zoom in, zoom out, menu button, direction button, OK button, call button, and back button. That's enough. You can operate really easy with that. We have an antenna to gain to extend the possibility to reach the baby's camera system. We have an on and off button, and on the back side there another antenna, a screen holder, an SD card slot for recording videos, a reset button, and a charging port. Because there is a built-in battery. That means the handheld, you only have to reload and you can use it. The camera system needs a power supply with USB. Included AC adapter 2 times included in the package. And when we connect the camera, if we like, to the app. The app's name is the BOIFUN Cam app. BOIFUN-CAM. Download it from the Play Store or the App Store for an Apple, and then create an account on it. It's for free, and then we connect the camera to the app. We make sure that the Wi-Fi network is a 2.4 GHz network, as the camera doesn't support 5 GHz network, but it's not a big deal because every 5 GHz router can make a 2.4 GHz network too. It's no problem. We download the BOIFUN Cam app and on our phone. We register a new account and log in. We press the reset button for 5 seconds until we hear the BOGO beep, which means that the camera has been reset. After 10 up to 20 seconds, we will hear another beep and the red light of the camera will blink slowly. It flashed, baby. And when we follow the steps instruction easily to pair them, that means we have to enter the Wi-Fi network key. After this, we get a QR code. This QR code we have to hold in front of the camera, and then it will be locked into our Wi-Fi network. After this, we can use our app really cool with a big bunch of possibilities. A lot of lullaby sounds, a lot of colors are available, and of course, you can track your baby when you're not at home. That's a really cool feature because this makes it possible if you're in a mobile internet area out there in vacation, on business trip, or if you're in shopping or something else, you can enter into the system and track your baby. Really cool. This is via the internet and via your Wi-Fi network. If you use the handheld only without the app, this is a closed system. There is no Wi-Fi and there is no internet. This is, of course, the safest way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.